I guess this is part 2 of pixel art. So in the last video you saw me, I showed you how to make this thing right here. All this text, so you can just like color it in. I showed you where to color it in. Also, I showed you how to merge it, merge this into one block. I showed you how to do a lot of things. Showed you how to unmerge it. Showed you how to do borders by going here, changing the border color and turning on border. Looks like a block. I showed you a lot of things. So this is basically just a part 2. If you haven't watched part 1, you might want to watch part 1 before you watch this. But yeah. So this is pixel art part 2. Let's get started. Okay. So here I think we're just gonna like make a bomb, or well, I don't know what to make. We can make anything. Right here, I think I'm just gonna maybe mute this, mute. Okay. Anyway, I think I'm just gonna like do. Yeah, I really don't know what to do. Anyone have any ideas? Waiting. Well, you can write it in the comments, I guess. Okay, right here. I guess I'm just gonna like make a banner or something. So first, no, I'm gonna make a flag. Yeah, so first I get this, then I can fill it up with one color to start off with. I like to start off with black. Then, yeah. Okay, so now we're gonna make our flag. I think the outline border should probably be, let's see, this is hard, red. Yeah, red right there. And if you guys know, like, you can just make your own. You don't have to do all these colors. I just like to do colors. These colors, sir. I mean, you literally could just do your own. Green. Red. Color. And you can, like, try to make a pixel character. I mean, you really can just do anything. I just made this little logo. I think I'm gonna make like. I'm making like a logo to look like something. First, I just need to highlight this little space. I need like the logo in the middle. Highlight it right like that. Then I'm gonna just reset that fill color so I have this blank thing in here that I can fill with colors. Okay, so right here, I'm gonna do like a diagonal kind of color. Diagonal retro thing where I'm just like filling in random colors. This is gonna be pretty cool. Might not, I never know. Oh yeah, I know what to do. Yeah, I'm totally doing this. This hard choice, yellow, or red. Yellow, definitely. Okay, so now I have my diagonal thing. Now I'm just gonna like build my pixel. So I'm gonna fill these two green. Oh yeah, I have this great idea. Just came up with a great idea. And like try to make it be zigzagged right there, and then these be yellow. Then these be blue. Make this. Some of them I'll just do other things. Yeah. And then I don't know what to do here. I'm just gonna fill this up with some. I'm gonna just make my own random color. Let's start off with like this kind of color, and then just that looks kind of cool. Okay, I just made this weird teal light color. Now I'm going to fill these up. Obviously, my favorite color, orange. Then diagonally down here, we're doing lots of red. Red is kind of like my third favorite color. And so yeah, I'm just basically a building. I'm gonna even do some black inside of it just to give it these weird texture colors. Just doing random colors. Let's do red and right here. I'm gonna do that really cool teal color. Now it basically looks like a puzzle. But to make a flag be a flag, you need to have a name. So I'm gonna do right here. What color? Yeah, red. 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 And then I'm gonna do S. Red here. Wait, no, I don't want this to be red. I'm supposed to make this white. Should I do white or blue? I think I'm gonna do white. Wait. Okay. Ooh. Wait, this isn't gonna fit. Yeah, I need to change that to white too. That and that white. There's not enough space to do this. I'm gonna make the flag like pixel flag a bit bigger. Give it some extra room. Of course, but yeah, what color should I have right here? I'm gonna have orange. Now, I can go down here, and there. Oh yeah, but it's uneven. I'm gonna have to build this bigger. It's gonna make all of that red and then just turn those to black. There. Yeah, I'll turn that black. Okay, now I have my US. Now I need my A. Ooh, I forgot how to make a pixel A. I think it's like this. Yeah, it's like that. Yeah, blue. Yeah, I was gonna do blue. I remember how to do pixel A now. Kind of confusing if you don't know what, like, confused means. I mean, no. Well, it's confusing because you don't know the right length. Yeah. Oh, God. I got this totally wrong. Yeah, you don't need this little juncture block. Turning all these black. Turning that column blue. Then I'll just make my little line right there and you. Oh yeah, I totally got this wrong. Okay, so I'm just gonna move. Darn it. And well, yeah. So basically I just made my own flag. I kind of have to end this, so I'll make more of part 3. This is part 2. I'm gonna use a different sheet. Yeah, you can also add like other details, like first letter of your name or something. Just do a bunch of, random colors. Fill that. Well, thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe if you haven't already. And, yeah. So, yeah.